On a cold morning in 2026, a man ran across Wall Street screaming, "Stop the trades now." But by then, the biggest billion-dollar blunder in history had already happened. Wall Street looked normally yelling traders, the smell of roasted coffee drifting from cafes, the non-stop beeping of screens flashing red and green candles. But that day, the air felt heavy, like something terrible was about to happen. On the 48th floor of a Manhattan skyscraper, in a closed room humming with servers and glowing charts, Saturday Donald Trump. People called him the future predictor. One sentence from "the market is about to fall" could shake global markets, and if he said it's safe now, billions of dollars would jump from fear to greed instantly. But in 2026, for the first time ever, Donald Trump made a wrong prediction. A mistake so massive became Wall Street's greatest failure. The story begins on January 17, 2026. Donald was in his office, surrounded by thousands of screens, crypto charts, AI models, news feeds, and a giant glass board with a single word written on it in red marker. Crises AI trading model. Torx Vinci says was scanning global markets. It analyzed weather forecasts, political tensions, oil prices, and even social media emotions. For 9 straight years, Thorex had never been wrong. It predicted every crash, every rally, every storm. And on January 17, 2026 flashed a warning. Global downturn in 72 hours. Donald froze. He called his team immediately. Sell everything. Tech, EV, crypto, all of IT. Within hours, $31 billion worth of sell orders were placed. Rumors exploded across Wall Street. Donald Trump knows something. He sees another 2020 coming. Dump your stocks now. A wave of fear began. People sold. Funds panicked. Markets dipped faster than anyone expected. But the truth was, 26 was wrong. A tiny decimal error in the system. Just a misplaced number turned the 0.08% risk into 80%. But by the time anyone noticed, the dominoes had already started falling. By the next morning, global markets were drowning in red. Asia crashed. Europe trembled. America prepared for the biggest pre-market crash since 1999. Twitter went wild. Is this another global meltdown? Donald selling everything. People were terrified. Inside his office, Donald watched as billions evaporated on his screens. Every minute a new wave of losses. His team pleased her. If this crash isn't real, we'll never recover. Donald whispered. Forex never lies. But 29 hours later, the truth came out. One developer had accidentally placed a decimal point incorrectly in the algorithm. A small human mistake with a billion-dollar impact. Donald collapsed into his chair. This can't be happening. And outside reporters gathered, shouting. Donald Trump caused a false panic. It was too late. The headline had already been written. The billion-dollar blunder. For the next 24 hours, Donald lived the worst nightmare of his career. People accused him of manipulating markets, causing unnecessary panic, trusting AI without human checks, demanded answers. Investors screamed on live TV. Retirement accounts vanished. Savings wiped out. Small investors broke. Everyone said this happened because of DONER. But he defended himself. It wasn't me. My AI malfunctioned. No one believed it. 3 days later, an underground hacker group released a message. We infiltrated the Thorex 26 servers and tampered with its calibration. The truth began to unfold. Thorex did have a small glitch, but the hackers magnified it, which meant Donald was half wrong and half a victim. The FBI launched an investigation. Cybersecurity teams found traces of external interference. The crash wasn't natural. It was partially sabotaged, but by then, $141 billion had already vanished. Wall Street's biggest artificial crash in history. After this disaster, everything changed. In 2026, a new rule was passed. No AI can trade without human verification. For the first time, human instinct was declared more important than artificial intelligence in finance. Donald Trump was suspended from trading. His reputation shattered. That night, he stood alone near the giant windows of his office. Looking at the glowing towers of Wall Street, he whispered, "One wrong decimal and the world almost collapsed. This is Wall Street. Here, one tiny mistake can destroy lives." The camera zooms out, the city lights fade, a deep voice echoes, and this was the billion-dollar blunder that changed everything.